Hello, kids! Let's practice reading sentences and sight words. Say, I want. Let's say that again. I want. Great job! Now listen carefully and repeat after me. I want a bag. It's your turn to read. I want a bag. I want a bat. It's your turn. I want a bat. I want a fan. It's your turn. I want a fan. I want yam. Your turn. I want yam. I want to nap. Your turn. I want to nap. I want a bed. Now it's your turn. I want a bed. I want a pet. Your turn. I want a pet. I want a pen. Your turn. I want a pen. I want a bell. Your turn. I want a bell. I want a well. It's your turn. I want a well. I want to win. Your turn. I want to win. I want to dig. Your turn. I want to dig. I want to sit. Your turn. I want to sit. I want to sip. Your turn. I want to sip. I want a pig. Your turn. I want a pig. I want a toy. Your turn. I want a toy. I want to jog. Your turn. I want to jog. I want a box. Your turn. I want a box. I want a cob. Now it's your turn to read. I want a cob. I want mom. Your turn. I want mom. I want a pup. Your turn. I want a pop. I want a mug. Your turn. I want a mug. I want a gum. Your turn. I want a gum. I want a hug. Your turn. I want a hug. I want a jug. Your turn. I want a jug. Great job, children, and thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.